1970 Chevrolet C20 is a timeless example of American truck engineering. As part of Chevy's second-generation CK series 1967-1972, the C20 was built to handle heavy-duty tasks while maintaining a stylish and rugged presence. Whether used as a farm truck, a workhorse, or a collectible classic today, the C20 remains a symbol of durability and dependability. Under the hood, the 1970 Chevrolet C20 offered several engine options, catering to different power needs. The base engine was a 250 cubic inch 4.1L inline-six, producing around 155 horsepower. For those needing more muscle, Chevrolet offered a 350 cubic inch 5.7L small block V8 and the powerful 402 cubic inch 6.6L big block V8, pushing well over 300 horsepower. Paired with either a 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, or turbo-hydra-matic automatic transmission, the C20 delivered reliable torque and towing capability. Its heavy-duty suspension and optional pause-traction differential made it a solid choice for hauling heavy loads or tackling rough terrains. The 1970 C20 carried the signature look of Chevrolet's second-generation CK trucks. With its clean body lines, bold front grille, and squared-off stance, the C20 struck a perfect balance between utility and style. Chrome trim and two-tone paint options gave buyers a chance to personalize their trucks, while the long wheelbase LWB configuration provided ample bed space for work or recreation. Optional features such as side-mounted toolboxes, camper packages, and custom badging added to the truck's appeal. Whether in fleet white or a striking bright red, the C20 stood out as a capable and stylish truck of its time. While primarily built for work, the 1970 C20 didn't skimp on interior details. The cabin was simple yet functional, featuring durable vinyl bench seats, a straightforward dashboard layout, and large, easy-to-read gauges. Chevrolet offered an upgraded, custom comfort package, which included padded door panels, carpeting, and more comfortable seats, making long drives more enjoyable. For those looking for extra convenience, options like an AM/FM radio, factory air conditioning, and wood grain trim were available, bringing a touch of luxury to this otherwise rugged truck. As expected from a heavy-duty truck of the era, fuel efficiency wasn't the C20's strong suit. With large V8 engine options and a focus on power rather than economy, the truck averaged around 10 to 15 miles per gallon, depending on the engine and load. However, in 1970, fuel costs were low, and buyers prioritized durability and towing capability over fuel savings. The 1970 Chevrolet C20 remains an icon in the classic truck world. With its powerful engine lineup, rugged design, and practical features, it was built to last. Today, collectors and enthusiasts appreciate the C20 for its nostalgic charm, reliability, and potential for restoration or customization. Whether on a farm, at a car show, or cruising down the highway, the C20 continues to turn heads and prove why it's one of Chevrolet's most enduring heavy-duty pickups.